Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
I will explain the practical ways to use AirPods with your PS5 console today. First, understand 3 reliable options and when to choose each. Option 1 uses a Bluetooth dongle plugged into the PS5 USB or optical output. Option 2 runs audio through remote play on your phone or PC to pair AirPods directly. Option 3 uses the DualSense 3.5mm jack with a wired adapter or cable for stable chat audio. Plug a USB Bluetooth dongle into a PS5 front or rear USB port and power the console. Put your AirPods in pairing mode by opening the case and pressing the pairing button. Press the dongle's pairing button until the LED blinks rapidly and the dongle pairs to AirPods. Set PS5 audio output to USB headset in settings under sound. Note that a quality aptX low latency, or SBC dongle, typically gives around 40 ms latency. Install PS Remote Play on your phone or PC and sign into your PlayStation account quickly. Connect the console to the same home network for lowest possible latency and stable bitrate. Pair AirPods directly to the phone or PC and stream audio from Remote Play. For voice chat, plug a mic-equipped 3.5mm adapter into the DualSense or connect the controller via USB-C for reliable microphone routing. Prefer wired or aptX LL dongles.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.